What's going on, everyone? Embedded Monk here, and this is Embedded Adventure Day 10. Yeah, previous series was epic. I'm not gonna lie. The Day 9 was actually epic. We finally made the remote LED control. That was that was pretty cool. Um, we actually have some fix to do. So probably in this video, I'm gonna quickly fix the LED remote control, and then I guess I'm gonna explore some projects that I can do in future. Yes, I currently don't know what project I'm gonna do after I'll fix the remote LED control. I have some ideas and I'm gonna explore them in this video. This video wouldn't be that long, I guess, not like 1 hour, maybe like half an hour or something like that. I hope so. And yeah, so let's firstly fix the project. I haven't even touched everything since the last series, so as you can see, the breadboard is here, the ESP is here, so I'm just gonna fix the code a little bit, and then we'll see does it really work the way I just program it. the fix um, the fix needed is the problem was that the state does not really switching. So it was always turned on, and I want to somehow switch it off with the with toggling the endpoint. So I thought that was a good idea to make a uint 8 to mask it then. So to take only the first bit of it. But probably now we should actually put it like this. Since this is just 4-bit hex integer. So probably that was a mistake that I made in the previous series. Okay, so we'll take it, then we'll invert it. Yep, then we'll invert it. And I guess when we are setting the... No, I guess we should actually we should actually firstly invert it. Yep, we'll firstly invert it and then take the first bit. So we inverted it, taking the first bit, and then putting the state to setting the level of state to the red GPIO. Then we say like, yay, we finally set the state, and I guess that's all. That's all we need. So firstly it was 0. Then since it's static variable, it just remembers its state throughout the calls, as far as I remember. So it should actually change. Then we invert it, take the first bit, and set the level. Okay, so let's just flash it. Oh, whoa. One moment. Yep, here is the ESP IDF. Okay, let's just quickly connect the ESP. Okay. And while it's building, I guess I should say some ideas that I have for the project. Well, for this channel in general, I guess I will do these embedded adventure days, at least till the I don't know, till the end of December. But I hope I will be able to do more of videos or more of embedded development on winter holidays. So in January, I guess there I will be able to make more content, more cool stuff with microcontrollers, probably. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so I flashed it. Let's just quickly test. I'm just gonna quickly um, monitor since I just have the prints for it. Okay, let's just throw some request there. Okay, and if I will throw it one more time. Actually, pretty strange that it does not change at all. No, it actually worked. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, firstly, let's code it for all of them. Yep. Let's code it for all of them. I just wasn't really accurate yesterday, so probably I made a mistake, yeah. And by the way, not the inverted state, but the actual state. Yep, the actual state. Yep, I guess that's all. That's all. Let's flash it again. Let's flash it again. Damn, I ran out of coffee. Too bad, too bad, too bad. Alright. So yeah, as for the channel, I guess, at least till the end of December, I will try to be consistent. Yeah, sometimes videos don't really get like views that I expect. Like I expected that this series will be epics, but it has like 8 views, and this series was really dumb since we just made an HTTP client. But okay, I don't really care. Probably I just I'm more like documenting my progress here. So probably I will continue to document it, no matter what, and just to stay consistent. Okay, so let's now turn on the web camera. No, just yeah, it's probably the sound will now become very bad. You probably can't hear me now, but you can hear me very badly. Okay, but nevertheless, I just turned the table camera. And yeah, it's a good reminder to buy the USB hub for my computer. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly reset the ESP and just to test every LED that they they are toggled properly. Okay, so let's just quickly reset the ESP here. Okay, just turn the lights off. Okay, so I reset it. Now let's just take the screen here. I'm just gonna go here, try to make a request for, probably it's better done via some script, like via Python or something like that, but okay. actually doesn't work. Oh. How it's supposed to work. Reset. Okay. So I'm just gonna hit this request. That's actually strange. Okay. What about yellow one? Okay. Yellow. What the okay. So yellow does work. That's strange. Okay, yellow again. I don't know, probably I should really do the Python script for that purpose. Yeah, well, I can probably do it from a normal browser, not Google Chrome. Okay, so it works. 1.57/red. Everything is okay. Alright, again. Perfect. So that's just the Google Chrome shit. Okay, yellow. Perfect. Again, perfect. And turning off. Perfect. Okay, and green one. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, finally. So, and by the way, that means that we can actually turn the green on, for example, then turn the yellow on, for example, then turn, I don't know, red, for example, and then turn something off, for example, yellow again, and we can do some combinations of them. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, all right. So we fixed it. I'm just gonna quickly push the fix to the GitHub. Oh, by the way, what? Okay, just cut the request from here. One moment. I'm just gonna quickly test this stop endpoint, because there was a stop endpoint. So as you remember, the stop endpoint actually stops the HTTP server, Wi-Fi, and no matter what we try to send there, it will not receive any requests now. It's blocked completely. Probably it's not very safe option to make an endpoint to shut the server down, but okay, let it be. Alright, I'm just gonna probably make the screen full size again and just reconnect the mic, because you probably want to. Alright, so back with normal sound. So now we finally fixed that thing. I'm just gonna quickly upload that. Okay, and then we'll think about the next project that I should do, or maybe some expansion of this project. By the way, that's a good idea too, to make kind of expansion, like to make some authorized LED control or something like that. Probably that would be cool too. So yeah, okay, just LED should be proper toggling. By the way, you can check code in my GitHub repo. I usually leave the link in the description. Okay, so now let's think about projects. Yep. I'm gonna just write you some ideas that I have. Like, I don't know, let's go. What the? Oh no. I won't pay like 30 euros for adblock. Okay, just some project ideas that I have already in my materials. The first. Okay. So the first thing that I want to do is like own gaming console. Probably it's very hard, but that's like the one of like child dream, or how to correctly say it. I don't know. Just like miserable desire from childhood when I used to play Nintendo 3DS, PSP, or Nintendo Switch even. So I wanted to make some kind of own gaming console. It probably will be very hard because I made some criteria, so I want to do it from absolute scratch, like own hardware, own operating system, and own games. So this will be a very long project, but probably, well, I can actually do that, but this will take like next year. Okay, um, maybe as little controls as possible or something like that. Yeah. The second one is like own walkie-talkie, kind of like maybe Tamagotchi or something like that. That's very kind of that's kind of well, you know what? Um, it's a good idea, but probably it's more like a retro thing, so it's just for gigs. Well, all of those are actually for gigs, yeah. And the third one is own musical instrument. And own musical instrument is quite a cool and simple idea. And I actually tried to do that on the hackathon this October, but I haven't succeeded at all. Yeah. Uh, that's actually a good and simple idea that can be easily implemented, so probably I will stick um, to it. I don't know. Actually, let me know in the comments like what do you think, and I'll probably try to implement something of that. Um, yeah. So I guess that's all it is. But I want to actually ask one of the most coolest embedded helpers out there, ChatGPT. Do you have any cool embedded project ideas? Smart plant monitor. Damn, I don't have plants at home. I don't grow anything at home. Simple soil moisture sensor. That's actually a good idea if you have some plants at home, but I don't. Actually, don't have any plants. Okay. Well, but it's useful. It's actually a useful project for your home, I guess. ESP32 wireless gamepad. That's actually a thing. Yo. Yo. if I will be able to connect this to the computer, that would be pretty cool. Okay, ESP32 has Bluetooth, simulator controller for PC Android. That's quite cool too. Weather station with E and extreme. You know, there are like a lot of projects that seems pretty basic, but I'm not just simply interested in them. Probably it also has something to teach you in embedded, but I would like to do something cool. Because you know, when you do some cool project that you actually enjoy, you actually learn a lot more than when you do like some basic stuff. Um, and So when you actually interested in project that you are doing, then when you grow, and probably I should stick to something that I naturally enjoy, like the what is it? Speedcam object detector. I'm not really interested. Damn, I've seen this picture too much when I was when I was like learning the machine learning. Yeah, and the computer vision. I just don't want, not like my cup of tea, to do that with this neural networks or this machine learning stuff. No, no. Not my cup of tea. Robotics is actually cool. Robotics is actually cool. So to make a robo cat or to make this robo roller, that would be cool. That would be actually cool. So robots are cool, but you um, probably need to buy some cool stuff there. So to buy some motors, sensors, different parts. Okay. Smart door lock with passcode plus phone unlock. By the way, that's a cool thing. And a useful thing also. So, you can probably make such a security system at home, so nobody will able to enter your room without a password, for example. That's quite cool. That's cool. It's not that hard to implement in a software way, I guess, since you just want to. Hello, subject. Hello. It's not that hard in terms of software, since you just have to create a finite automato, but that's pretty cool. Home energy monitor. Well, that's something like the moisture plant, the moisture of soil sensor, something like that. Yep. Advanced unique ideas really stand out. So remote, like the hand-like control of robot. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Gesture control. But I guess that's whole different level. That's like more advanced things. Yeah. Autonomous drone. Well, that's a cool project, but guys, I live in a country where I'm probably not allowed to do that in 2025, so I probably won't do that in terms of security or something like that. No, please. Okay. You probably could have guessed which country I live, but okay. Smart punching bag. Damn. It's like a punching bag that can measure your strength of punch. That's cool. That's cool. But again, I guess that would be harder. So from all of these ideas, which are my top ideas? Like, yeah, gamepad, probably. I really like it. I really want to implement a gamepad. Robot, also cool. Smart door lock, also cool project. Also is cool, yeah. Uh, and punching bag is also cool. So to actually punch it, gym tracking and so on. Maybe smartwatches. Dang. What if implement a smartwatch that are actually useful, not overloaded, like a fitness tracker? Yeah, probably gonna remember this idea. Smartwatch. Like own smart watch. Watches. Own smart watches. And own smart watches and own own gamepad and smart punching bag. Damn, how much ideas. Okay guys, I probably will think about all of them today, tomorrow maybe, and gonna come back. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow, and try to start to implement one of them. Yeah, try to, and well, at least plan one of them. How would I implement? Which features will be there? Well, I have some features here, but I'm probably gonna blur them on the editing. I probably will have to do some editing because, well, these features are actually, some of them are pretty cringe. Some of them are well, I guess they have some potential, so won't like tell you them right now. I probably will tell you about them later. So I'm just gonna just blur them a bit, but probably I'm gonna share them anyway. So stay tuned, guys. I guess this is the end of the video. Yeah. See you tomorrow on Embedded Adventure Day 11. Yep. And hit the like button if you like enjoy my content. Like, I don't know, subscribe. Let me. By the way, let me know in the comments which of these ideas do you like the most. Yeah. What is your opinion, guys? Maybe we'll make some poll and decide which idea will win, and I will just stick to it. Yep. So stay tuned. Bye, everyone.